busy streets and village roads, under the sun and pouring rain. We carry burdens not our own. We steady hearts that walk in pain. No cameras and no crowd to see, just quiet love in simple ways. A helping hand, a gentle word, a light that shines through darkest days. We don't give to get it back. We don't love to earn applause. We give because our hearts believe it's right. That's just because kindness is not a trade. It's a gift from above, given freely, wrapped in love. When you help without a prize, heaven sees the sacrifice. What you give will find its way back to you one brighter day. In God's perfect time, you'll see blessings flow so endlessly. We lift the weak, we walk beside. We hold the hands that